Hey guys, I'm here. I'm back. So, this is what, 3 weeks review? 2 going on 3 weeks review of this hair. Diamond Virgin Hair Company. So now it's been a while. I'm starting to experience some shedding. I didn't cut it. I just, like I told you guys before, I dyed it. And it's holding up. It was getting a little dry because I didn't have the time to actually deep condition it, so I just wanted to get it done today. Got some curls and stuff like that, but it's holding up. It's holding up. I don't have no real complaints. Once it got dry, my hairstylist put some silicone in it to help kind of soften it back up and bring it back towards its original texture. So it feels a lot better than it did last week, but I haven't been putting too much heat to it. I will only like blow dry up here in this area when I felt like it was, you know, too frizzy or it was just sticking up a lot. So it does have some strays. So I'm thinking that I probably can just use Frizzies or John Frieda. That normally works for, like, you know, pieces of hair flyaways and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use that. And like I said, my hairstylist said maybe I should cut the hair, but I don't think so. Just for a different look, not because there's anything wrong with it, but I don't want to do that because it's too expensive for this hair for me to go and cut it. It's like, no. So I'm just gonna do this and maybe straighten it. It's curly now, so I'll straighten it and we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna see how long I can rock this until the wheels fall off, or until I get tired, whatever one comes first. Okay, later guys.